What if I told you misclassifying a safety-sensitive position could cost your company millions, or worse, lead to a serious accident? In today's video, I'm diving into how to help you determine if a job is safety-sensitive step by step. Whether you're an employer, HR professional, or work in safety, today's video will give you a blueprint of what you need to do in order to ensure you're classifying positions correctly, staying compliant with regulations. So before we go into the details, let's start with the bottom line up front. If a mistake in a role at your company results in a serious injury, loss of life, or a major operational failure, it's probably safety sensitive. This means the role likely requires drug and alcohol testing, especially under FAA, Department of Transportation, or OSHA regulations. Employees in these positions must meet stricter safety requirements and may need additional training. Incorrectly classifying the job could result in legal penalties, fines, or worse. Knowing that, let's jump in and break it down to show you exactly how to determine if a position is safety sensitive. What is a safety sensitive position? A safety sensitive position is any job where an employee's performance can directly impact safety, their own safety, or others. These roles typically include operating heavy machinery and equipment, driving commercial vehicles, handling hazardous materials, or working in a high-risk environment like construction, in bus or rail transit, or aviation. If an employee in one of these roles makes a mistake, it could lead to equipment damage, serious injuries, death, or even worse, legal consequences for both the company and the person. Now you know what a safety-sensitive position means and some of the roles we've talked about. It all starts with our checklist for determining safety-sensitive positions we built for you for free. So comment, give me the checklist in the comments below, and we will send you the link to access it on demand 24/7, 365. Now that we know the basics, let's break down how to identify safety-sensitive positions into 5 easy steps. Step 1. What are the core job duties? Ask yourself, does this role involve operating specialized equipment? Does it involve handling hazardous materials? Or does it involve working in high-risk conditions or areas? If yes, move to step 2. Step 2. Assess potential hazards and risks. Consider what could go wrong if someone in this position is impaired, distracted, or untrained. Could a mistake cause an injury, death? If the answer is yes to both, it's likely safety sensitive. Step 3. You're going to review industry regulations. Different industries have different rules, so you're going to want to check federal, state, local laws to confirm if a role is legally considered safety sensitive. Step 4. You're going to look back at past data of other incidents. Has there been any other workplace accidents related to this role? If yes, it's a strong indicator that the position is safety sensitive and needs stricter oversight. Step 5. Document everything. After classifying a position as safety sensitive, document your decision. Explain why and inform the employee about any additional safety requirements, like drug testing or specialized training. So, before we wrap up, here are 3 common mistakes employers make when classifying safety-sensitive positions, and more importantly, how can you avoid them? Mistake number 1, overgeneralizing. Not every job in a high-risk environment is safety-sensitive. So, focus on specific job duties, not just job titles. Mistake number 2, you're going to fail to document. That's a kiss of death. If you don't document why a job is safety sensitive, you could face compliance issues later on. Keep records. Keep those auditors off your back. Mistake number 3, you're going to ignore changes in regulations. Safety laws change and evolve constantly. Make sure you take the time to review and update your classifications regularly and frequently. All of this and more If you're still here and inside our checklist for more determining safety-sensitive positions, we built this for you for free. So comment, give me the checklist in the comments below, and we will send you the link to access it on demand 24/7, 365. That's it. Now you know how to identify safety-sensitive positions and keep your company compliant and safe. Is it easy? Not always. But with the right guidance, you can do it. And as your company grows, the process can become easier with experience. Remember, always go back to the 5 simple steps for classifying a position. They are: core job duties, assess potential hazards and risks, review industry regulations, analyze data from past incidents, and document everything. Now you're ready to classify your company's safety-sensitive positions. To double check your work, use our safety-sensitive position checklist that is located in our guide. Comment, give me the checklist below, and we'll send you the link to access it anytime on demand 24/7, 365. I'm excited for you. Thanks for joining me today. Reminder, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more safety tips, and share your feedback in the comments. We'd love to hear it. Stay safe out there. We'll see you next time.